My name is Nana. Maybe everyone has good memories from school. Last year in school class, I loved my teacher and our friends, so I made very excited memories. I will explain two my favorite memories from school, so please listen carefully. First memories are PE competition. In PE competition, it has many events. We do relay running, tug of war, and we do more events, but I can't remember all things. I was remember well about relay running. When our friends during relay running, then we make poster and we cheer our friends. We cheer like say name to cheer up. When PE competition ends, later we take pictures with our friends and teacher. Second memories are class party. We party at the school because we do very good behavior, so teacher said she felt proud. In class party, we ate the snacks during watch the movie. I share snacks with my friends. Also, we play game too. For example, we do music quiz. Music quiz is when teacher play the music, then we answer what is music title. We choose music randomly so music can make it past. In conclusion, my two favorite memories from school is PE competition and class party. If you think a future, then maybe it will be very good memories. If you like my video, then please click likes. Thank you for listening my presentation.